The clouds are heavy, the sky is gray, but I wouldn't have it any other way. The rain is tapping on the window pane while we're hiding from the world again. No phone calls, no plans to keep, just you and me in a pile so deep of blankets, pillows, and messy hair. There's a sweet kind of magic in the air. Oh honey, honey, let's take it slow. We've got nowhere else we need to go. Just wasting time, just drifting through a rainy afternoon with you. Honey, honey, stay right here and whisper softly in my ear. Honey, honey, stay right here and whisper softly in my ear. We're doing nothing and it's everything. I wouldn't trade the peace you bring for all the sunshine in the month of May. Oh, I'll take this rainy Saturday. Let the thunder roll, let the river rise. I see the